Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, click on the notification bell to get more info when I post videos, because you really don't want to be left out. So today I'm going to be teaching you all how to create a web app using Appcreator24. So without wasting your time, let me hop into it. So when you get to the website, all you have to do is click on your email, add your email address if you have an account with them. That's why I said you need an account with them. So all you have to do is sign up, because I already have an account, and input your password. So once you input your password, you sign in. Page appears. So what you have to click on now, because I already have an app with them, so what I'm going to do now is create app. So I'm just trying to show you people how to create an app, because I already have an app with them. I would have showed you how that one works, but let me start with the first start. So all you have to do here is input the name of your app, name you want your app to be. So for me, let me choose a name for my app. Let me say music FX. Then here you have to choose the picture that your app should, the icon of your app. You can choose a custom icon, or you select from their own custom icon. So when you click on choose from gallery, they show you a list of their own custom icons. So you have to select from either one of them. Since my app is about music, what I have to do is select my own. So once you're done, you click on next. You have to add a description. Like example, I love this app. Then when you're done, you click on next. So this pops up. So for me, I'll choose the black app. The black, that's the most convenient one for me. So you click on saving. So here you have a list of apps that you want. If you want your app to be a social network app, web app, TV or video app, quiz app, a video sharing app, blog app, radio station or music app, stickers. But today we are doing the web app. Most of the web app is more easier, especially for people that want to do Google Ad Mode, people that are into Google Ad Mode. If you know what Google Ad Mode is all about, if you want to monetize your app, easier for you. So we click on web app. So here you have to enter the name of the website where you want your app to stream from. Like example, let me say so I'm looking for a music website. So I choose trendybeats.com. There are lots of music websites, depends on the one that you want to choose. It's a music website. So what you have to do now is you go to the URL search button, you click on the URL, you copy the URL. So what you have to input here is the name of your app, which is www.trendybeats. Oh, sorry. www.trendybeats. Then when you get to here, you paste the URL that you copied, the full URL. Then you click on next. So you go back to manage app. So here's the place where you get to input the designs that you want your app to be. So what you need to do is go to general info at first. You have to check whether the name of your app is correct. And for most of you that are doing Google AdMob, you have to put your AdMob ID here. Once you generate your AdMob ID, app ID, your app, you have to put your app ID here. You input it here, then you click on save. And if you want to implement ads, all you have to do is you head to ads. You click on ads. Then when you click on ads, this pops up. You put your ad units here, your banner ad units here, only your banner ad units here. You don't have to put anything in this ones, just the first line, your banner ad units. Then you create your terrestrial ad unit, put it here as same, your terrestrial ad unit. You don't have to put anything here, only the top bar, your terrestrial ad unit and your banner ad unit at the same top bar. Then once you are done with inputting your banner ID, you don't have to input in any of these ones, only those two ones I showed you. So once you are done with it, you click on save. And once you save it, then you can go back and click on download app. So the app is not yet available. So once the app is available, just like I told you, you can actually use this website in your phone. So the best option for me is using my phone, because once you click on the download, it will show you a download button on your phone, and you can download the app fast without any waste of time. But once you use your laptop, you have to scan this code here for it to download to your phone. So that's the reason why it says that the app is not yet available, because you have to scan the code to download the app on your phone.